Happy
Hello,
birthday,
hello,
my
hello.
Amar, Mrs. Emma
Good day.
Robinson.
Today, I wanna greet sa taong kahit hindi ko nakikilala personally, ko yung kabaitan niya at saka concern sa akin. I'm so blessed and thankful na nakilala kita here in Meta World. So today is your special day. So, my mi amore, happy birthday. My Amor Robinson, Miss A. Ang dami na nating pangalan na nagawa dito. You know what? When I first saw you, I feel napakagaan yung damdamin ko for you. And then, napasali pa tayo sa iisang team, which is the Team Charity. So yun, we have GC. We are talking, we are chatting. That's why I know in myself, for my observation, that you are a kind-hearted person. Kaya nga sabi ko sa'yo lagi, masarap tumulong, masarap maging mabait, maging mabuting tao sa kapwa. But sinabihan pa kita na make sure na you have limitation, na hindi lahat ng tao na humihingi sa'yo ng tulong or nagpi-PM sa'yo, bigyan mo. Gusto ko lang naman na aware ka about that dahil nakita ko talaga na matulungin ka. Gusto ko, sinasabi ko sa'yo lagi, may Amor Robinson, Miss A, na bago ka tumulong sa isang tao, kilalanin mo muna, lalong-lalo na dito sa social media na maraming magpapanggap, maraming modus. So yun, I feel so happy na nandyan ka sa akin kahit hindi man tayo laging uusap, but still mutual yung feelings nating dalawa. Or kahit sa lahat ng mga katimit ko sa mga taong nakakilala ko here in social media, alam nyo kung sino-sino kayo. So, I'm hoping na today, your special day, you'll be happy and more blessing to come in your way together with your family, and enjoy the rest of the day. And no worries, I'm here for you. Hindi man lagi ako sa mga live mo for personal reason kasi may kanya-kanya din tayong ganap sa buhay. But all I can say is that I'm here for you, my Amor Robinson. And thank you for the friendship. Thank you for trusting me. Thank you for caring me. And thank you for loving me. Ramdam ko iyan. And I hope also na this friendship will long last, no? Yun nga, I'm happy, and I just wanna say thank you again. You know it already kung ano yung pinapasalamat ko sa'yo. I'm so happy and I'm so once again blessed na nakilala kita. Kasi ramdam ko din yung care mo sa dalawa kong kids, like Kisha Carla and Jen Benedict. And alam mo, Amore, they love you. They always talk about you. Kisha Carla told me that you're beautiful, tsaka mabait. Same as Kuya JB. So, I hope someday, kung ibigay ng situation, ibigay na makita kita, ma-meet kita personally. So yun na lang, once again, happy birthday. I love you very much. You know me already. Hindi ako sweet na tao, di ba? I'm frank, but I care for you. I love you. So, pinaghandaan ko itong video ko ha, para maging maganda ako. Kasi maganda ka. Hindi, pwede pa hindi ako maganda. Nag-video ako, tapos hindi ako maganda. So, once again, more blessing to come in your way. God bless you always, Amori. God bless your family. Continue to be kind and help people. Yung mga taong deserve talaga yung tulong. And I'm here, Chandra Sumar Agaral. I'm always here for you. And once again, I love you so much. I care for you and I'm blessed to have you in my life. So yun na lang, baka mapahaba naman ako at iiyak ako sa huli. So once again, happy birthday girl, my beautiful, my kind and humble, down-to-earth woman, Miss A. Amor Robinson. I love you.